Are on live. Yeah. Yes, we are on live. So, yes, I think we are on live. Rama, am I audible to you?
Yeah, yeah.
Nice. Yeah, we have our live session. So, I'm sharing you the link. So, let's circulate it. You may get notification about the live session. Let's see. Let's wait and see. Rama, I am sending you through WhatsApp. Share this link. I'm also passing it in all the groups. Ramna, meanwhile, can you see how many people were watching it?
Yeah, yeah, sure. Three now.
Yeah, nice. That's a nice count.
Meanwhile, can you see how many people were watching it?
We are getting the voice double. Ramna, can you check with your audio? Mute.
Yeah,
Reduce the volume in your phone, Ramna.
yeah, sure. Yes, double. Ramna, can you check with your audio? Is it clear now?
Yeah,
Is any distance?
I'm getting this audio.
Yeah, yeah.
So, is everything okay? So, yeah. Let's wait for 5 more minutes.
Ramna, can you check with your audio? Is it clear now? Yeah. Is any distance?
Ramna, I'm getting this voice again. Check with the.
Yeah, yeah. So,
Everything okay? Hello?
so hello.
Yeah. Reduce the voice on your phone.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
So I have shared the link to everyone. Okay. Hope you have also shared the link. Is it?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Nice. Mm, let's wait for a while. Let's wait for the people to join. So yeah, it's yeah. Hi, Lokesh. Yeah. No, Nagshekar is not joining this live session. We both going to handle this session. So, guys who are watching this live session, please do share the link with your friends too. So, ask them to join so that we can start this live session as soon as possible. So, firstly, as you all know that this live session is all regarding the Wipro Talent Next initiative hiring process. So, how the Wipro people hire the candidates using the Talent Next initiative process. So, it would be very useful for the final year students. I mean, the one who are completing the third year. So, ask your friends to join too. So, share this link so we can get the maximum participation. So we are going to begin the session within 5 minutes. Yeah. So Ramna, are you? Hello, Ramna. Am I audible to you?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Ah, yeah. Okay, nice. Yeah. So So what about this? Let us start, Ramana.
I think 9 members are watching now, and
Yeah,
better to wait for 5 minutes.
yeah. So meanwhile, guys, whatever the questions you have, whatever the queries you have regarding this hiring process, post them in the comment box so that we will answer you. So whatever the queries you have regarding the hiring process, not only Wipro, you can also ask them. Meanwhile, we can clarify them. So since we are ready to begin this live session, so you can post your questions. After starting this live session, we can discuss all about this Wipro hiring process. Yeah,
Okay, Arsha, let me start.
yeah, yes, we can.
Just okay.
Yeah, we had maximum participations, and the people will keep coming. So we can continue with this. Hello, Ramana. Hello. Yeah. So, guys, so we have the more. We have more number of people. So I'm connecting this, Ramana. Okay, guys. So welcome to this live session, guys. So this live session is all about Wipro Talent Next Initiative hiring process. As you all know that. So shoot your questions regarding this Wipro Talent Next Initiative. Whatever the questions you have, just post them in the comment box so that we will answer them. And in this live session, what we gonna tell you is how the Wipro Talent Next Initiative hiring process will be, how the training sessions will be, and how the HR round and the TR round and the final milestone will be, how to crack them, how to prepare for those training programs, how to cope up with these milestones and the HR round and the TR round, and all the process will be discussed here. So, firstly, this Wipro Talent Next Initiative program is generally initiated in the from the recent years. Generally, many MNCs will recruit the candidates on a general basis, like TCS conducts a Ninja program, and Wipro conducts National Hunt likewise. So from few years later, I mean from few years before, the mass recruiting companies like TCS, Wipro, they are conducting different types of exams. Like when comparing to coming to TCS, they conduct Ninja along with Code Vita, which where there is a variation between those two. So, similarly, Infosys do conduct the general recruitment process through InfiTQ, and whereas Hack with Infi. So in the same way, Wipro also conducting two different tests, which is National Hunt and Talent Next Initiative. So what is the firstly I will tell you what is the difference between Talent Next Initiative and National Hunt. Generally, the people who apply for National Hunt will get an hall ticket, and they will go to the exam hall and write these exams, and the package will be 3.5 LPA for National Hunt. But there will be no training will be given to you. You must prepare yourself and attend the exam and should crack it. Where coming to the Talent Next Initiative, it will be limited to some colleges and some people. So the people who get registered through the Talent Next Initiative program will get training from the Wipro. They will give logins to you. They will be having a website called PBL app, where you will be giving some logins. Through that logins, you can refer to the content whatever they posted in that PBL app, so that you can refer to the content and can learn yourself. So that when you complete those modules, whatever the content they have given, they will be conducting some milestones in between this training program. So cracking those milestones perfectly and reaching the final milestone, and it would you need to get some whatever the requirements they keep, the minimum number of marks you should get. So after reaching the final milestone, you will be uh, going to attend that. So if you are cracking the final interview, final milestone too, you will be passed on to another round. So I will clarify everything in a flow way. So firstly, Wipro Talent Next initiative is given to who will be the part of Talent Next initiative. I will clarify that. Generally, uh, some faculty from different colleges will apply for this Wipro training process. So whoever got cleared the test and got certified through Wipro, they will be given some tokens. So for example, if a college sends two of their faculty to the training program, and if the two people get completed the training process and get certified from Wipro, they will give some tokens to each faculty. Let's say 100 for example. So if each faculty get 100 tokens, so combinedly these two faculty will get 200 tokens. So with that 200 tokens, they can register 200 of their people, I mean their students, to the PBL, I mean Wipro Talent Next Initiative program. So 200 people can register through to the PBL app. So there will be variation in the count. They based on the number of certified people. So the likewise Wipro will give some tokens to certified people. So that certified people can enroll some members, some of their students to this Talent Next Initiative program. So yeah, Ramna has joined our call. So Ramna, I'm just speaking. I'm just telling them about the Talent Next Initiative program, how the process will be.
Okay.
So would you like to
Okay.
continue?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Uh, Talent Nest program is just like InfiniQ program. I think most of the guys have already undergone for the InfiniQ process, so they have idea about like that. InfiniQ is only about the Python module. So here is Wipro Talent Nest platform is only for Java. They are preferring Java module, and they will get train. They will get totally on Java module for this training process. Based on this module clearance, they will get interview chance for them. And it is just like it is one of the hiring process of Wipro. There were two steps like a national hunt and talent nest. In the national hunt, they may have the aptitude sections like that, but here they didn't have aptitude sections. Only based on the Java MCQs and the coding, they can clear the modules and get a chance for the interview process. And students who want to attend for this Wipro Talent Nest initiative, just remember that you get a Java full stack development training. It was best for you. You will get a chance to learn the Java full stack development. So keep in mind that and use that module in best way. Yeah.
yeah. So I hope you guys clear about the Talent Next initiative. So whatever Ramna has told is the flow. So what is Talent Next initiative, and how it would be useful for you. So as Ramna told, it is completely based on Java full stack development. You will be get thorough knowledge about the full stack development. So if you get registered through Talent Next initiative, it would be very useful for you. So and once you complete this Talent Next initiative and get cracked the interview and got hired by the Wipro, you will be giving the projects regarding this Java full stack development. So you will be giving a project engineer role too. So I will explain you about the syllabus of this Talent Initiative program. So I will just give some what is the syllabus they include in the training process. What are the things they include? I will tell you. So yeah, let me screen share. So guys, as you can see this will be the syllabus for the Talent Next Initiative program. So you will be getting something like, just wait for a while. So see, firstly, this Java Next, Talent Next initiative will be completely based on Java full stack development. So, what is the syllabus? Firstly, you will be having three different types. First thing is completely on Java, and second thing is completely on database, and third thing is completely on web development. Front end development using HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So, you will be trained about the Java, completely about Java, and after that database connectivity, so ODBC, JDBC connectivity, and something related to that. So the after learning through about the Java, you will be, so after completing this Java, and you will be trained regarding this database, and after that you will be trained regarding the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, all those. See, so coming to Java, you will be having these language fundamentals, flow controls, arrays, and strings, and stuff regarding these classes, objects, and OOPS concepts, which are encapsulation, inheritance, so and so, like this. And you will need to learn about these interfaces, packages, abstract classes, exception handling, multi-threading, collections, which are very important thing in this Java course, and DBMS. Like up to this part, you will be getting related to Java, and coming to this database part, all about the DBMS basic concepts. Like what are the types of uh, I mean queries you are having, manipulations, DML, TCL, like this. So all these things, and keys, joins, and all the stuff regarding this database, and JDBC, ODBC connectivity, and you will be also having JUnit and YANT. Which are used for writing test cases, all those, and assertions. And coming to front end development, like using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and all these things. So along with this, you also having these files, serializability, deserializability, and servlets. So all this in this Java, JSP, Java servlets will be also having these. So all this stuff will be given to you in the PBL app. So in the PBL app, you will be getting everything in a, in a list format. You will be having all the things in a topic wise. So in each topic, when you click on each topic, you will be getting some PPTs which are prepared by the Wipro professionals. So they will prepare some PPTs, and along with some videos too, and some links which are having the practice sessions for coding. So you will get lots of stuff regarding this Java full stack. So you will be getting PPTs, you will be getting coding practice platforms, you will getting all the tasks, you will be getting some MCQs. So you will get lots of stuff which will be very useful for you. So in the PBL app, they will give you logins. So through the logins, when you log into the PBL app, you will be getting that a list of topics. So you can navigate to each topic, and learn by yourself. And after completing each task, going through one after one another, completing each topic, and you will be getting some thorough knowledge about that. So now Ramna will clarify you about what are the patterns. I know the milestones they will conduct. Everything will be discussed by to you by Ramana. Ramana, can you continue?
Yeah, Asha. Yeah, Asha explained about the syllabus. What we'll go get in the Wipro Talent platform. Maximum half of the syllabus will be it, because half of the syllabus will be already covered in academics, but half of the syllabus which was advanced regarding to the full stack development.
Yes.
So you can go through it. And coming to the milestones, there will be 3 milestones except the final milestone. You have to clear all these milestones, then only you can have a chance to get the final milestone. In these milestones, you have MCQs, Java MCQs, plus one Java coding. And the total time duration for this milestone is about 1.5 hours. 1 hour for coding, and 30 minutes for clearing the MCQs. If you clear all these milestones, then only you can move to the final milestone. In the final milestone, you will get 2 coding questions and MCQs. If you cleared it, and you can have a test on English, then you have TR and HR rounds. That was the final. And coming to the what was you have in Milestone you have a test metal platform where you have to take the test. In test you have coding session. Now I will explain what kind of coding questions you will get in Wipro Talent List. I will just show the previous coding questions in last year. Some kind of questions. Let's see. Here you can see some here like string based programs like find a string code, get the code through strings, addition using strings. What you have to focus in Wipro Talent List is mainly you will get questions on this strings concept. Yes. And you have array based programs like simple encoding the array and decreasing sequence, most frequently occurring digit, like in a given number what is the frequently occurring digit, like that. These are all basic questions. There was no DP questions like time complexity. There was no time complexity questions. Everything will be easy. Just you want you to get to know about the syntax of Java and advanced concepts like collections. You have to use them. And coming to these string-based programs like identify possible words, encoding 3 strings. These are all concepts which we worked in last year in calendar. Let's see some more questions like generating the series like prime number series like that, and find password, calculate the sum of non-prime index values, find the one digit to be removed from to form palindrome. Like they give a one number, you have to remove one number to form that it has a palindrome, like that in strings or numbers. And these are the type of questions which you got in the last year of Wipro Talent List. In the milestones, they will provide all these questions with the test links. You have to practice before the milestone. Then in the milestone, you will get one or one or two questions from these programs. Let's have practice one question in the test metal. You can get an idea about the test metal portal, how to execute your code in milestones. I will look at it. Execute your code in test metal portal, which was a testing portal for executing your code.
Ramana, excuse me, Ramana.
Yeah.
Yeah. Have you opened this metal portal?
Yeah, I'm opening now.
Yeah. Okay. Nice. Yes, we can visible. It can be visible. See.
Yeah. It was,
yeah. You can explain.
Yeah.
You can explain.
Yeah. It was a test metal portal where you have to execute your code during milestone process. Final milestone exam will also be conducted in this same metal portal. Now I am explain. Now my motto is how this metal portal will be and how to handle this. You will get an idea about how to use this platform. Here you can give your details. You can able to take the test now. So slow internet connection, we have to wait for some time. Okay, I have to give some other details as I already take those same details. Some try with some other candidate details as I already did with that question with my same credentials. All these three milestones and final milestone will be conducted using this metal platform, which you got Java MCQs and with coding along with it. And it was a pocket test because you can't tab switch in this platform. If you do it, the test will be terminated. Okay, now we can start the test now. So here we got a question like this in the left side. In Java Wipro Talent Nest portal, you have to first see the question carefully, because if you want to clear all test cases, you want to understand each and every condition which was given in the question, because all the questions in this metal platform will have a large text, and don't fear about the large seeing this large question. Just go through the question. Here we can see sums of digits. Like if you given digit is number is 582109, then you have to print output as 85. You see that the sum of the digits, like 5 plus 8 plus 2 plus 1 over each and every digit. We travel from the last digit here. So I started with length. Here you can see that let's see, I will explain later. Just type now. We have to get the last digit. What you have to do is use operator modulus. And here I am multiplying with I, because here you can see that in 582109, after summing all, 5 repeats how many times here? Just one time, right? 8 repeats 2 times. It means that based on that 9 repeats 5 times, 6 times, 0 repeats 5 times, 1 repeats 4 times. Just like that, I am multiplying with I, which stores the length, and also decreasing.
Yeah.
And just you have to return the result, right? You have completed the code and you have to execute it.